And I know we're watching storms, but do we need to be aware of flooding?
We actually, at this point, are going to need to think about it. And we did, as we showed you earlier in the show, a flash flood watch has actually now been issued. It's going to last us until midnight for basically the southwest half of the region, but Philly is included in that. So we could really get doused here. And we had a couple of rounds of rain already roll through since early this morning. So anything else that we do end up finding out there is certainly going to cause some headaches. And I know a lot of us just want to get the weekend started without any problems. You've got to keep in mind that some of these storms could really be quite dicey toward the typical evening rush. So let's just get out there and start it off with a look at Storm Scan 3 just to recap here. All this is coming courtesy of a cold front. This is the catalyst that's going to finally send us back into some more pleasant territory, but we have to deal with the clash in the atmosphere, get that out of the way before we can expect nice weather to come with it. So it's still very, very steamy outside. You're still going to find some rounds of soaking showers and thunderstorms right now riding right along or south of I-80, but more of this is going to fire up in that southern branch. So let's talk about that flash flood watch one more time. It's the southwestern half of the Delaware Valley, as I mentioned, including Philadelphia. It runs until midnight for rounds of heavy rain, which could produce locally 2 to 4 inches of additional rain. That would lead to flooding. Now, if you run into poor drainage, it's the bottom of a hill, the bottom of an off-ramp, or just near the creeks and streams that tend to flood out of their banks regularly. Those are the areas where you're going to find some of the worst of this taking place. So if you know that maybe your street is prone to this, don't be shocked if it ends up happening from the rounds of rain coming through. The severe weather threat is still quite real, however, and we are seeing that slight risk in as far north as parts of Lehigh County. So once more, another day, another severe weather risk. And again, to me, it looks like the prime risks are going to be heavy downpours, gusty wind, frequent lightning, which we'll get to in a second. But let's just focus on when things all actually happen. So here we sit at noontime. I'm not crazy how this initialized, but it is still a good guide. We take a look forward here. What you're going to find is a little lull in the action. Very likely some of you actually break out into a little bit of sunshine, and that's going to be helpful for any stronger thunderstorms to get going here. And once this starts to move in, 5, 6 p.m., Summerfest is underway out in Phoenixville. I know they've got a backup plan for rain for our Summerfest festivities, but just keep in mind there could be some wet weather to deal with. And if this ends up verifying, you're talking blinding downpours over Montgomery County or thereabouts towards 6 p.m. tonight. So we really need to keep an eye on the radar. Lauren will very likely have her hands full for the 5 and 6 o'clock shows tonight. Make sure you check in with her if you've got to be somewhere. But then things do clear out into early tomorrow morning, and we're left with beautiful weather. So just wait for it. Let's get through today with the downpours, the wind issues, the lightning issues. Hail, can't rule it out. I certainly can't completely rule out a tornado, but that is still a very low risk, even lower than the hail threat here today. So that's good. Meanwhile, outside here to where we ended up with a tornado warning yesterday, just outside of the Burnville area in Berks County, 72 degrees, incredibly muggy. One thing that has really changed here today is the temperature. You're not talking mid-90s like you had yesterday. So we're only held back here to about, say 80, mid-80s at best for daytime highs. That's even below average, but it's still so steamy. But I promised you nice weather. It comes along. Saturday and Sunday look just awesome. It'll be warm, I'll give you that, but it's July. It's what you'd expect.
I can handle that.
Looks great.
Thank you, Katie. Appreciate it.
Well, it's Friday.